delicious.
Hello and welcome to another Fast Meals video. Today we'll be making a pudding egg roll. What's a pudding egg roll, you say? Well, it's a pudding in a roll. Before we get started, a like and a subscribe to our video would be awesome. Let's get started. Let's make the pudding first. You want to combine 6 cups of starch because we want this pudding to be really thick. To that we add 6 cups of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of whipping cream, and finally a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to start whisking off the heat first so the pudding doesn't clump up. Once you get all the ingredients dissolved, place the saucepan on the heat source and keep stirring until it gets really thick. We don't want this to burn, it will ruin the entire batch. As soon as the pudding gets thick, remove it off the heat, but keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Pour it in a tray and try to make it as even as possible. Cover it and place it in the fridge overnight or at least 24 hours. Next day, the pudding should be ready to cut and add to the phyllo dough. Grab yourself a box of phyllo dough. This can be hard to find, so I'll link it in the description. But these should be a tissue thick pieces of dough that we're going to wrap the pudding with and make them into egg rolls. Make sure you grab 1 sheet of dough at a time and then hide the rest under a towel. This way they won't dry out. We take 1 sheet of dough and cover it in melted butter and then add a slice of pudding in the center and wrap it up. That's it. It's that simple. We're gonna repeat this a bunch of times until we run out of pudding. I'm just gonna fast forward this a little bit since it's gonna be boring to watch. Once we're done, we add melted butter on top of them, and off to the oven they go. We're gonna bake them for 50 minutes at 500 degrees or until really golden brown and crunchy. Once they're out of the oven, we're gonna add some simple syrup on them, and if you don't know how to make that, I'll link it in the description and I'll link it in the video. I have a really good recipe for that. And now we just sit and enjoy. And that is it. Sit and enjoy. Be careful, it's very hot, especially the pudding inside right out of the oven, and then the hot simple syrup on it is perfect. Well, like and subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you next time.